In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a GitHub README file, an essential element for any repository to communicate to others what your project is about, how to use it, and any other important information. So, let's get started. First, ensure you're logged into your GitHub account. Open up your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, look towards the upper right-hand corner of the page where you'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, and you'll want to look for and click on Repositories. This will take you to a list of all your repositories. Once you're on the Repositories page, you need to select the repository for which you want to create a README file. Simply click on the name of the repository to open it. Now, with your repository open, look for the option that says Add File. It's usually located close to the top of the repository page. Click on it, and then, from the drop-down that appears, select Create New File. You'll now be redirected to a new page where you can name and edit your file. The first step here is to name your file appropriately. Type in README in all capital letters. This naming convention is crucial because it tells GitHub that this is the primary information file of the repository. Following README, make sure you add a .md extension, which stands for markdown. Markdown is a simple formatting syntax that GitHub uses to style text with headers, lists, and links, among other things. After naming your file, you'll see a large empty text area where you can start writing. This is where you can input the content of your README file, such as the project title, description, installation instructions, usage examples, and any other relevant information you wish to include. Now that you have some content in your README file, it's time to save those changes. To do this, carefully look at the top of the page and click on Commit Changes. Usually it's located in the upper right-hand corner. You'll be prompted to add a commit message. It's a good practice to be descriptive in your commit message to summarize the changes you've made. You can add a short message in the commit message field, and optionally, you can also provide a detailed description of the changes. Finally, you'll need to seal the deal by clicking the Commit Changes button. This saves your README file to the repository. At this point, your README is now a part of your project for everyone to see and understand what it's all about. Congratulations! You've successfully created a GitHub README file. This is an essential step in making your repository more accessible and informative for other developers and users who might be interacting with your project. Thanks for following along, and happy coding!